Welcome to SmartFox. SmartFox is both an LMS, or a learning management system, and an SIS, a student information system. The LMS is the student portal. Let's first log in as a student. Simply click I am a student, and the student will input their username and password and submit. Once the student is logged in, they're able to see each and every course that they're enrolled in. They come up as a tile on their dashboard. On each tile, they see the name of the course. They're able to see the teacher, a short description, their current grade, their progress in the course, and their current pace. Within the course, they have an introduction and several modules. In order to access each module, they can use the arrows and go back and forth throughout the modules, or they can quickly access a specific module with the corresponding numbers at the bottom of the page. Within the modules, there are lessons, assignments, quizzes, and sometimes applications or discussions to further learning. By hitting all items, the student is able to see each lesson, quiz, and assignment in sequence, and they move through each item one by one. There are videos, and sometimes interactive lessons, as well as quizzes and assignments. Students are able to bookmark a page so they can go back and complete something later, and it shows up right here on their dashboard. Also within SmartFox, students can access a calendar, a forum where they're able to communicate with other students, and send and receive messages from their teachers. They can quickly find a progress report to find out their grade in each course. And when needed, they can download an unofficial transcript very quickly. There it is. In order to see all the courses that are available in SmartFox, simply go to methodschools.org, course list. We offer a variety of UC A through G approved courses for students in grades 9 through 12, as well as middle school and even elementary school curriculum. Students can even take physical education in SmartFox. Now let's take a look at SmartFox through the eyes of a teacher. This is our SIS, or our Student Information System. Within the portal, simply click I am a employee. Now this will bring you to our Student Information System. Within the SmartFox SIS, teachers have access to all the courses that they're responsible for grading, as well as all of the students that they have on their rosters. When they first log in, they can see a calendar, as well as a map as to the locations of their students, and some quick reports that they're able to access. Their grade book, the SAW report, which gives them information on how often their students are logging in and how they're doing in their courses, as well as details about each score and course, and their student ungraded work report, where they'll be able to do all their grading for that day or week. There are a variety of reports that teachers are able to pull, including attendance, which will show them each student that's logged in that day, enrollment, and student usernames and passwords. In order to access the courses, teachers will click the Courses button on the side. They're able to search the courses to find the one they're looking for. In order to edit the course, simply click Actions, Edit, and they'll have access to everything within that course. They can look at a list of lessons, a list of assignments, or quizzes. If they hit Report, they're able to pull reports of student work. Simply select the assignment you're looking for, run the report, and you can grade the work right in here. Actions, grade answer. You're able to see an answer key, the answer that student gave, and feedback can be given below in the comments section. Teachers can simply type feedback or record a video giving their feedback to that student. Then a grade can be given and it's saved, and the student will receive their feedback and grade. In the scope and sequence, teachers can expect to find a list of all the standards that are covered in that course and which lessons, quizzes, and assignments assess that standard. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope that you enjoy SmartFox.